What's up guys, B-Boy here if you get X. So, we'll go over some of the unique features that make the Narzo 50 a phone worth your while. And mind you, all these features we're about to mention come in a phone that's less than 10,000 pesos. But before we get to the unique features, let's talk specs. The Narzo 50 comes equipped with a MediaTek Helio G96 gaming processor, which actually is one of the most powerful chipsets ever in the Narzo lineup. With this, you can expect to play most of your favorite games at medium to high settings with little to no lag. It is also paired with the Mali G57 MC2 GPU. The Narzo 50 can be outfitted with 6GB of RAM, 128GB of storage. The front of the Narzo 50 is a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus screen with a resolution of 2412 by 1080 pixels. It also runs at a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. This makes a world of difference for games or when scrolling and browsing the web. At the front as well, you'll find a 16-megapixel front-facing camera for all your selfies. At the back end, it features a triple camera setup with 50-megapixel primary shooter, 2-megapixel macro lens, and 2-megapixel black and white lens. The Narzo 50 comes with a 5000 mAh battery with 33 watts dart charge via USB Type-C. Other features include dual SIM trays, expandable storage via microSD, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, and Bluetooth 5.1. Kicking it off, one of the most useful features if you plan on gaming with the Narzo 50, that is its game space. It simply allows mobile gamers to choose from either low power, balance, or pro gamer mode when playing their favorite games. GameSpace also allows you to set the brightest level for when you're specifically gaming and automatically adjust the game resolution in order to save power. The app also enables you to enter gaming focus mode where notifications won't pop up, and calls will be rejected for that in-the-zone laser focus you need when gaming. What's great about the Narzo 50 is that it comes with Dynamic Expansion RAM or DRE for short. This means the Narzo 50 can have RAM up to 11GB with 6GB baked and 5GB allocated for DRE. This also means that the DRE does take some amount of the device's internal storage, but in turn, it makes multitasking and gaming much better. Not to mention that it would mean you could keep your Narzo 50 for quite a while. Getting the right shot isn't always an easy task, but the Narzo 50 helps in capturing picture-perfect moments by coming with a bunch of features. One such feature is its 50-megapixel mode that allows users to capture even better images of up to a resolution of 8160 by 6144. It even comes with AI beautification to in your touch-up by matching different skin colors in different scenes and lighting conditions. If you want to take things up a notch, you can go into expert mode to adjust every possible setting you can think of. From the ISO, shutter speed, white balance, autofocus, the saturation, and even the camera's exposure. There's even a night mode to help take brighter shots in the dark by adjusting to different lighting conditions. Video recording features also are pretty neat with the ability to take time-lapse and slow-motion videos. But what's truly unique is its dual-view video features for capturing both sides at once and its ultra-steady video feature to help stabilize your recordings. The Narzo 50 also features a pretty powerful screenshot tool. Apart from just taking regular rectangular screenshots like pretty much any other phone out there, you'll also be greeted with a toolbar below for you to doodle, edit, scroll, and share your screenshots. Did I also mention that its built-in screen recording function also packs a punch? You'll be able to set settings for video quality and frame rate. You can also choose to toggle on or off the system sounds and microphone sound when recording. If having multiple accounts is your type of jam, then the Narzo 50 comes with a bunch of features that allows you to do so. There's what they call System Cloner that essentially lets you have two phones in one. You essentially clone the existing apps and other data you choose to a new system. You'll also be able to sync notifications from both systems to be viewed when you're on either system. What's also pretty cool is that you use different passwords and fingerprints for each system. So that means you can unlock the main system with your thumb and clone with another finger. Keeping your phone's privacy to yourself is surely one thing to not scoff off nowadays. The Narzo 50 comes with the feature to hide and lock apps. Just head over to Settings and select App Lock. There you'll be able to select which apps you'd like to lock and choose password when opening the certain app. This is especially useful when lending your phone out and ensuring that they won't go through your personal things. If you want to take the next level though, in securing your privacy, you can also hide apps. Just select the apps you want to hide and set an access number for them. To access your hidden apps, you'll have to input your access number on your phone's actual numpad in the phone app. Multitasking on a phone is no easy task except when you're using the Narzo 50. A simple way to access multitasking features would be to go through your recent apps by swiping up or hitting the icon on your navigation bar. You can then choose which apps you want to have as either a floating window or in a split screen with another app. You can also swipe up with 3 fingers to make the app you're currently on viewed in a split screen. Narzo has packed in a ton of gestures for you and we'll run over the most handy ones here. Other gestures include double tapping the screens to lock the screen or wake the screen when off. You can also opt for full screen gestures to swipe from the left to go back, from the bottom to go back to the home screen. Hold and swipe from the bottom to visit your recent tasks and apps. There are also screen off gestures. Draw an O to go straight to your camera from your lock screen. Draw a letter V to turn on and off your flashlight. And it doesn't stop there, as you can even customize certain gestures for other controls, tools, and apps depending on your preference. And that wraps up our list of some of the coolest features on the monster Narzo 50. And by the way, for those who missed out the news, Narzo launched itself as an independent brand last July, with the 50 series as its main line of smartphones. Be sure to leave a like and make sure to subscribe to YugaTech and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our future content. Also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, or visit yugatech.com to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is B-Boy of YugaTech. Thanks for watching and have a good one.